This video will guide you through reviewing a compensation agreement. Compensation agreement review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since both employers and employees want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a compensation agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a compensation agreement, key terms to find and understand in your agreement, costs to hire a lawyer for a review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for compensation agreements. Compensation agreements are legally binding documents that outline the payment terms and structures for an employee or contractor. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Clarity of compensation. Ensure the agreement clearly outlines the payment structure, including base salary, bonuses, commissions, and any other forms of compensation. Performance metrics. Understand any performance metrics or goals tied to compensation increases or bonuses and ensure these are clearly defined and measurable. Compliance with laws. The agreement must comply with relevant labor and employment laws, including minimum wage regulations and overtime provisions. Benefits and perks. Check for detailed information on additional benefits and perks, such as health insurance, retirement plans, stock options, and other incentives. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a compensation agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Compensation agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the employer and employee are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the entities or individuals are used. 2. Compensation structure. Review the section that specifies the salary, bonuses, commissions, and other compensation. Make sure these terms align with your expectations. 3. Payment schedule. Understand the frequency of payments, including the dates on which salary or wages will be paid out. 4. Performance bonuses. Look for the criteria and conditions for earning performance bonuses. These should be clearly defined and measurable. 5. Benefits and perks. Ensure the agreement outlines any additional benefits provided, such as health insurance, retirement plans, vacation days, and other perks. 6. Termination clauses. Review the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, including any notice periods and severance provisions. And 7. Dispute resolution. Understand the methods for resolving disputes related to the agreement, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your compensation agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a compensation agreement is $530 on a flat fee basis. This is based on 25 recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a compensation agreement is crucial in ensuring you protect your rights and understand your payment structure fully. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.